Good morning and welcome to my messy house. Hey guys, so this morning, well it's kind of this afternoon, we are going to the Santa Claus parade, and this one is during the day because the last one we went to, it was dark, it was raining, it was horrible. So this one is in the daytime and it's so much better than the other one we went to, so I'm really excited. I'm really tired. I could not fall asleep last night. It was like 3 a.m. or something, after 3 a.m. Then when I actually fell asleep, and my mom, she didn't go to sleep till after 5 a.m. because she had to work. Her and my dad bought a franchise a couple towns away, so they have to drive there, and then they work at night, and then they come back here. Today was last night was their first night that it was opened, and yeah, so she's probably really tired. The parade starts in like 45 minutes. 45 minutes, and it takes probably like 20 to get there, 25 minutes to get there, so we need to hurry up. I don't know where she is or what she's doing. I'm sure she's getting ready, or coming, I don't know. But yeah, my house is a complete disaster. I'm gonna have to, when I get back, clean it like crazy. Caden's room's covered in toys.
Bubba!
You want a Bubba? Okay. And the kitchen, just, there's lots of dishes and stuff that I need to put away or clean. Okay, get out of the fridge. Get out. But yeah, I'm really excited. Update on little Jesse here. He, well, thought he was doing better. He is drinking and eating by himself after the couple times that I force fed him with the syringe, and he seems to be doing a lot better. He's not hiding anymore, well kind of, but not like extremely bad. So I think he's doing a little bit better, but the problem is he apparently peed all over Dan's clothes again this morning, which is a pain. Like, why didn't he pee on my clothes ever? He peed on Dan's clothes 3 times, but not my clothes that I know of. I mean, I don't know. I mean, Dan's are all over the place, but I have like a dirty clothes bin in the room, and there's some stuff laying around, so I don't know why he hasn't peed on my clothes or whatever, but I need to eat something because I feel like I'm gonna faint. Do you see it?
If those people get out the road. Oh, there's only one left on the road. Okay, here. Oops, let your mitt fell. There you go. He's waving. Wave. You wave? You happy? My purse.
Thumbs up. There.
Do you see him?
He's so tired.
He's gonna fall asleep. He's huge!
Santa?
Merry Christmas!
So we're back. It was an awesome parade. I was very, very impressed with it. There was like animals. Some little boy was walking a goat down the street. Yeah, it was really, really fun. Caden, he passed out on the car. He almost passed out while we were at the parade. He kept like leaning his head down. It looked like he was gonna fall asleep. But yeah, he fell asleep in the car on the ride home, and then I brought him in and he's in bed right now. He did wake up for a little bit because his pants were soaking wet. I guess he like peed right through his diaper for some reason because we weren't gone very long, and I changed him right before he left, so I guess he really had to pee or something. But I changed him and he's in bed sleeping now, which is good because I can't clean the house right now. I'm too tired. So I'm gonna take a nap after I'm done eating. We stopped at McDonald's. Caden's food is in the fridge. Got some apple slices and stuff because I really don't like feeding him fast food, and I barely ever do, but when I do have to, kind of out of food right now, I try to make it as healthy as possible. So apple slices, comes with yogurt, yeah, so no fries for him. So Caden woke up like right after I was done vlogging the last clip, but yeah, he ate his apples, his yogurt, and his chicken nuggets, and then now I put him back to bed. He's not very happy about it, but he needs to have a nap. So yeah, he's in bed right now. Hopefully he'll fall asleep, and then I'm going to go lay in my bed and relax because I'm tired. And yeah, look at all this candy we got. So guys, ignore my pimples and acne. I've just been very stressed out lately, but yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog now. Today was a good day. We went to the parade and it was really fun. So yeah, Caden's in bed sleeping. He woke up, well, I put him back to bed after he ate his McDonald's, and he didn't go back to sleep, and then Dan came home from work and they hung out a bit. He made him grilled cheese and he ate again. So that's good because he hasn't been eating as much lately. I don't know why. His appetite just wasn't there. So yeah, he ate a lot of food. He ate a lot more than he usually does today, so that's really good. I'm happy about that because I was getting worried. But yeah, and yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, bye.